Yeah, I'm out here doing some evening spring fishing. Okay, that should be a little better. Just had a bayous on there. I don't think I got the hook set though. There we go. Yeah, first bass of the year. That's a good bass. Good way to kick off the season. Alright, so it's been about half an hour later. I haven't had any bites since that one. There's been kind of a slight temperature change. Thinking that might have something to do with it in the sun setting. So I think after this I'm going to call it a day. So yeah, when I got here, there's a guy who said he didn't catch anything. I saw him as I was leaving. So I think even just getting one fish is a decent sized deer up there. It was a pretty decent sized bass, so I'm satisfied with it. Good way to kick off the year. I caught it on this black and blue jig. So yeah, I thought it was alright time. I just think it's cooling down a bit out here with the sun setting. So I'm thinking they're probably heading out deep again. So yeah, until next time, thanks for watching.